In 1956, Hitachi Metals Industries was formed. The brand shifted to SENQCCIA in 2016, and in February 2022, the transformation was complete with the emergence of ZEXUS. The new brand ZEXUS encompasses philosophies that are at the core of Japanese manufacturing fundamentals. Zippangu is an ancient word in Japanese culture which defines the pride that goes into the manufacturing of our chain products. Often translated to zeal, it is a great energy and passion for all aspects of these products. The final part is Nexus, which is the desire to engage with people and society and the reaction to ever-changing market demands. ZEXUS has been manufacturing and distributing chain for over 100 years. We have evolved to develop and refine our technologies, not only to meet with customer demands, but also to move forward with the world's environmental factors and needs. ZEXUS products are of the highest premium quality and proudly bear the mark Made in Japan. They boast solid technological capabilities with the highest levels of quality control resulting from our strict testing process. We strive through new technologies to make our products unique. All products are acclaimed for their premium quality and are being utilized in a large variety of applications domestically as well as internationally. ZEXUS can offer a full range of products including roller chain, conveyor chain, and casting chain. We have full engineering and custom designed chain manufacturing ability to service our customers' requirements. With these creative methods and capabilities, we can accept orders in small quantities, providing effective cost savings for our diverse customer base. We will continue to drive our business forward to demonstrate the values and spirit expressed in the ZEXUS brand. We are in constant pursuit of providing responsible solutions and ideal products for chain demand around the world. Japan Industrial Chains. ZEXUS Chain.